Log in to your account. Navigate to the desired page. And click on the Divi icon to activate the Visual Builder. Once in the Builder, scroll to the section containing the image you wish to modify. By hovering your mouse over the image, the Settings tab will appear. Click on the Settings icon to access the options for the image module. From here, you can replace the existing image with a new one. If the desired image is already in your media library, select it. Otherwise, you can upload a file from your computer using the Upload tab. OK, we changed the image. From the Link section, you can link the image to a URL by specifying the link and choosing whether it should open in a new or the same window. Within the Design tab, you have the ability to customize the appearance of the image. For instance, you can modify its size by adjusting the width. You can also change the alignment. Note that when the image occupies the entire width, there is no room for alignment adjustments. I changed image width to 70% and aligned it to the left. Now I think it needs to move down a bit. I will use the top margin in the spacing section. Make sure to apply these changes specifically for the desktop view. To access the responsive options, click on the mobile icon here. Select the desktop view, and add the desired margin. There is a bunch of styling options in the Design tab you can explore. For example, you can spice up your image module by throwing in some borders. Enter border width in pixels, for example 10 pixels, and choose color for it. You can add shadows in Box Shadow section. And finally, let's add cool animation effects. Once you're done playing around and you've achieved the desired look, hit that green button to save your module. And don't forget to save the entire page.